making some coffee for Victor, who just woke up. He's making noises. We just got back from Stockholm yesterday, so it's a bit messy. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hej älskling. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's the time? I think it's like 10.
Yeah, something like that.
I've been up. Your phone is ringing.
Is it?
It's Pete, my stepdad.
Hello, hello, Pete. Yes, absolutely.
It is
Friday.
Friday. It is Easter. Easter weekend. And what's happening today? We're going to an outlet, interior outlet.
Yes.
And what else? You're helping my dad with the boat.
Yes, yeah, exactly. So we're doing some spring cleaning of the boat before we're setting it in the water.
What am I doing? I don't even know. I guess I'm gonna hang out with my mom a bit, maybe. And my hair is very annoying. Why is it?
You look beautiful,
so,
darling. Come on.
When I look my best. Yeah, so now we're gonna go shopping and see if we can find some fun stuff. And then in 1 week, we are off to the Caribbean on the cruise.
Let's go.
Crazy!
Yeah.
I'm so excited! It's gonna be
nice.
so fun.
Finally, some warm and sunny weather, and try to get a tan. It's gonna be nice.
You'll get a tan. You get really tanned.
You too.
Really, really quick. No, I thought I get tanned quick. But you're crazy. He gets super tan. So yeah, but it's gonna be fun. Now we're gonna go off to Ellos outlet.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Jag vill inte. I don't want to go up.
Let's go.
Ah!
Also, we came back from Stockholm yesterday, so it's a bit of a mess here. Now we're off to Ellos, to the outlet, to do some interior shopping, see if we find something that we like. And then we're gonna go off to ICA to do some shopping, the grocery store. And then I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna start packing for the trip. Because I've always been a late packer, but now it's only 1 week left.
I know.
So I feel like I need to do some packing, or at least start. So I'm gonna do that as well. And you're gonna go to the gym.
Yes.
That's the plan. And the Wunderbaum is up. The purple one that we got. And the American one. Finding anything?
Nope.
Nope. So we didn't find any interior today, but I found this cute little Easter bouquet that we're gonna have at home on the kitchen table. I'm thinking it was cute. Now we're gonna go shopping. Hey, so much Easter bouquets. Aww, these have birds in them.
So cute.
Yeah, so cute. Okay, let's start. Cute. So cute. Great. Okay.
So olive.
Yes, olive oil. That's what we have left. The store is so crowded. There's so many people here today. Welcome to our chaotic kitchen. You are making smoothie.
Yes.
over there.
Over here.
And I'm making an omelette. Here I have my other egg. Yeah, we're gonna have some brunch. Late lunch, early breakfast.
Late breakfast, early lunch.
Yes, that's what I meant. Yes. And here is my omelette. Ta-da! It kind of looks like a pancake.
It does. Very nice.
Yep.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello, älskling. So, here I have my omelette, and I had some granola yogurt. And here are the flowers. Cute. Bring in the vibes.
Yes.
Easter vibes. Oh my god. So I've been blasting happy music, and I'm making some chili con carne for Victor. And I've cleaned out the spice drawer, the difference. So this is the before, and this is after. I feel like I clean this out every month or so, and yeah, it makes such a huge difference. I should probably get some like holder for them or something that I could like place in the bottom, so it doesn't become so messy all the time. But it's so hard with spices. I feel like they always get messy somehow. But that's that. And here I'm making Victor's chili. I'm gonna add these kidney beans, which is the final step. So I'm just gonna pour them in. And this is what Victor eats most days. He is on a, I guess you could call it a diet of some sort. He eats a lot of smoothies and this, and yeah, he eats this a lot still. So yeah, he eats this for like lunch and dinner almost every day. So we always make like a huge batch, and I will have some of it, but I like to have some salmon sometimes, or chicken, or just something else, because I do get a little bit tired of it. But it does taste really good. But after like day 5, I'm a little bit tired, so. Yep, but that's that. I am boiling that, and I'm trying to use more wood in the kitchen. I'm kind of struggling with it. I always use a wood cutting board when I chop vegetables and stuff, but I'm really trying. I got rid of our plastic version of this, and I'm only using this one. We are gonna buy frying pans that are not in Teflon for the future. We haven't got that yet, but yeah, let me know if you have any tips on how to get rid of plastics in your kitchen, or like reduce it. We've also started using more of these. I know this is plastic, but like glass containers. It is not the easiest. Like, let me know if you have any tips, or like any products that you really like that are like in wood or other materials. Yeah, that would be super helpful. So Victor is off helping my dad with the boat. My family has a boat, and they are like cleaning it or something. I'm not sure. And I've just been home alone. I feel really tired today. I think we got back from Stockholm pretty late last night, and we're a little bit tired today. But I'm just cleaning, doing the laundry, yeah, cooking, all that stuff. And I just love like blasting happy music and just cleaning and cooking and whatever, just being at home alone. I think it's so nice. I'm a little bit sweaty now, but yeah, I feel like I'm just like regaining energy by being by myself. I know that Victor doesn't really have that need as much as I do. I think I'm a little bit more introverted than he is in that way, but I really do get my energy back when I'm by myself. So that is something that I really need in our relationship, and that I've realized that I need to be more like clear with. So I often say like, okay, I will need some time today just for myself, and then Victor will give that to me. So, but that is something that we've noticed, that we have like different needs with. But yeah, that is what's been happening. I changed the pot. I changed the vase for the flowers. Something I learned in interior design is that the flowers should be like 2/3 of the height of the whole vase up to the bouquet. I don't know if that's the exact measurements here, but but the other vase was so high, and the flowers didn't get that much attention, so I switched it out. I really love this vase. We got it for our as a wedding gift. I just love having fresh flowers at home. It's just the best way, I think, to romanticize life, and just it's so cozy. And these felt very like Easter themed, so I thought they were very cute. Also, has anyone seen The Last of Us? I started watching season 2. I didn't get that far. I got distracted by all the mess here at home. But has anyone seen it, and is it worth watching? I've only seen season 1, and it was quite some time ago, but I remember that it was really, really good. So let me know if you've seen the second season, and if I should watch it. What do you think? So I've started packing a little bit for the vacation, and yeah, it's not much, but it's a great start, I think. It's a week left, so I think I'm just gonna start packing slowly, and then I'll just add things. But I have, on this side, I have a couple of dresses. A really pretty white one. Looks like this. That I think is gonna be really nice during the evenings and stuff. And here is a red dress that I have that I really, really love. It looks like this, quite similar, but it's red. And here I have a long sleeve dress. I don't know if I'm gonna bring it or not, because I think a long dress with long sleeves might be too warm, but we'll see. I have my flip-flops. I'm gonna pack some heels as well. Have a swimsuit that I really like, and then a bikini that I recently bought. Another swimsuit. And here I have a cute little bag and some pants as well that I'm bringing, that I think are gonna be nice for like the beach and stuff. So that was the packing. I'm gonna keep on packing, and maybe I should do like a packing video, like a pack with me video, with everything that I bring. I'll probably do that, and then you'll see everything that I will bring on the trip. But yeah, that's the plan. And now I'm gonna head off to my parents' house, because Victor and I are having dinner there.
Can we carry that as well? Yeah, underneath.
Hello. Time for some food. I'm gonna follow you. So the time is now about, I think 8:30 in the evening, and we are gonna go to bed. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.